Good morning, second class kids. Today we will learn the computer, page number 3838. Clicking with the mouse. Clicking with the mouse. Do you know how to click with the mouse? Let us learn to click on the mouse properly. These are two types of clicking: single click and double click. Clicking. See, this is the mouse. Yeah, this two side clicking. Okay, single and double click. Now we will see how to click single click. Single click means pressing and releasing the mouse button once. It is of two types, left click and right click. See, clicking. Yeah, single click. Okay, this also two type, left and right. Left and right. See, this is pressing and releasing. This is left click and this is right click. Okay, clicking. Now we will see the left click. If you want to left click, gently press and release the left mouse button once. It makes a clicking sound. In order to select an icon or object on the monitor, you can use left click. Besides, it is also used for giving commands to the computer. For example, move the mouse pointer to the start button on the desktop. See, this is start button. You're able to see this is start button. Yeah, we are using the left click. See. When we are click the left button, like this will appear, the screen will appear. This every menu will appear on the. When the menu disappears, when we click the left button on the start button again we use the left button here, this will close. Okay, if we click on any icon on the desktop, it changes its color. This is called selection. Suppose we are selecting anything. See, some icons are there. So we are select using this left click, only single click. See, only see, click. This will come like this. This is selection. The color is changed. Yes, let's click this. The color is changed. Yes. Next, right click. In order to right click, gently press and release the right mouse button once. It generally displays a list of commands called right click menu. For example, right click on the computer icon display a list shown in the picture. Yeah, see, this one we right click means this one. Okay, here this PC I am clicking. What will come? Right click means see the list of this icon displays. Okay, now we will learn the double click. Upon pressing and releasing the left button, a mouse twice is called double click. For example, double clicking the computer icon opens up the details of the computer. Double click means here, this left button we will click double two times. Okay, suppose I am clicking this PC, double click, everything will open like. Okay, understand, kids? Okay, now we will see the book exercise. A mouse is a dash device. Pointing, talking, dancing, learning. Pointing, first option is correct. Pointing device. The head seen on the monitor is called. The arrow head seen on the monitor is called pointer. Arrow, hand, monitor. That is also pointer. The ball mouse is also called dash mouse. Mechanical, symbol, optical, small, mechanical. The scroll wheel helps in moving up and down in a dash. Page, printer, screen, scanner. Page. Here, filling the blanks. Clicking on any icon on desktop change its color. COLO or color. The dash head seen on the computer screen is called a mouse pointer. Arrow, ARROW. A dash is used to point and select items on a computer. Mouse, MOUSE, mouse. A ball mouse is also known as dash. Mechanical mouse, MECHANICAL, mechanical mouse. True or false? The pointer always moves towards the left side of the screen. False, क्योंकि वो हर जगह जाता है, सिर्फ लेफ्ट साइड नहीं है. हर there is no difference between left click and right click. False. A mouse does not help us make drawing. False. A mouse has 4 or 5 buttons on it. False. In the next page also they given one mouse. This is called scroll wheel. This is right button, here left button. Okay.